another amazing recipe in my kitchen. Vegan recipe, might I say, that you guys have requested. How to make vegan sweet and sour shrimp in your kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. Let me show you how I make the one, yeah.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Alright, time to cook. Let's get into this sweet and sour vegan shrimp recipe in your kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. That shrimp right there is the one that I made at home, and the link for that shrimp will be down below. And right there I have a total of 12 pieces of shrimp. You are going to need pineapple, garlic, sweet pepper, onions, thyme, and scallion. Now, the other ingredients what you are going to need to make the best vegan shrimp recipe in your kitchen are as follows. You're going to need seafood seasoning, of course. Also, you're going to need baking powder. Now, you're also going to need white black pepper alongside some salt for flavor. Over here, you're going to need your paprika. Definitely going to need some flour. I'm using banana flour for my recipe, and I'm also adding cornstarch as well. Now, the other ingredient that you're going to need that is so important for your recipe is ketchup. You're going to need the ketchup for this. Alongside some pineapple juice, I'm going to substitute out my sugar and use maple syrup instead. So, let's start cooking now. Now, let's start cooking, like really cooking. We're going to add our cornstarch in here. We're going to add our banana flour and our baking powder. And all the ingredients for this recipe and the amounts will be listed down below. Mix up this thing here. Now while I'm here mixing this thing up, make sure to subscribe and make sure your notification settings is on so you won't miss an upload, right? Let's move on. And mix up this thing. And 1 tablespoon of oil. Now you want to go ahead and put your shrimp into your mixture. Make sure you get all that flour well distributed throughout that shrimp. Now we're moving on to our next step. I have my coconut oil in that pot right there. And what I'm going to do with clean hands, I'm going to go ahead and put my shrimp in. Okay, when they're halfway done, I'm going to go ahead and remove these, and we're going to fry the next batch. Then we'll be put them back in the pot and let them fry for another 3 minutes. Now we go ahead and put these back in and allow it to fry again on medium heat for another 3 minutes until nice and crisp. Not burn up crispy, enough, golden brown crispy. Now that my vegan shrimp is nicely fried the way I want it, to the touch. So now, silence on the. That's all I want it. Go ahead and remove it from the heat. let's really turn up this kitchen now. We're gonna add our garlic. We're gonna add our onions in. And we're gonna add that good old bell pepper. Some thyme. Mix up this thing here. Gonna add some apple cider vinegar, white black pepper, and salt to flavor. Paprika and seafood seasoning. Mix up this thing here again. You're gonna add your ketchup in. You're gonna add your pineapple juice and your maple syrup. And like I said before, you could just use sugar, brown sugar, granulated sugar, whatever makes you happy. Then we'll add our scallions in and our pineapple. Allow that to come to a bubble and thicken up. Now that my sauce has thickened up pretty much the way I want it, I'm going to go ahead and add some of that good old food coloring to it. Be careful how you add in your food coloring because you don't want to put too much and make it too red. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp in. And now we combine this together, baby. Vegan, sweet and sour shrimp in my Jamaican kitchen. And look at that, guys. And there you have it. Who say you can't have sweet and sour shrimp? Vegan style in your kitchen? If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, right? Then after you do that, you hit your notification setting so you will not miss an upload. I do uploads every Monday and beautiful Tuesday. Thumbs up, like and share with friends and family. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time to eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.